Anyway, this compressor, I had it for a while. I put Loctite on it. I got this hose, blue hose, running all the way down in through there, and going in through there, and that's my setup. See, everything has Loctite, red or blue, you see, so no air is leaking. Drain valve, air to release the air. Releasing the air. Everything has Loctite on it. Loctite here. Loctite. As you can see, I did this so I can try to get the right, more or less, the spacing. But you put Loctite on this so you don't have no problem with the air. Loctite. This way you don't have to tighten it all the way. As long as you put enough Loctite, you'll be good. So this is, I think, 1 gallon coming out and looping it and going in through there. Right. Still got my regular horn. This is the wire. I got a bypass switch. It's connected to the horn, but whenever I don't want to use it, just use a regular horn. I got the switch inside, and that's what basically is. So now we come here, and this is my bypass switch. This way I could only cut off the horn and only use the car horn.